So in this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy concert tickets here on the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on the home page, or if you want to, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass icon and then search a concert this way if you're looking for a specific concert. But if you go back to the home screen here, scroll down to where it says browse by category and then press on view all. Right below where it says sports, it actually does say concerts right here. So if I wanted to go view all right here. Now what it does by default for me is it actually does have my location in front of me. So you can go ahead and change the location this way if you want, as well as looking forward to a specific date. But once you're here, you can view a whole bunch of different concert tickets that are for sale. So in this case, there's Chris Brown, there's Metallica, Lady Gaga, Morgan Wallen, etc., Coldplay, that you can purchase in your location area. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy concert tickets here on SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.